It's a new week. I'm going to the pottery studios Tuesday today and I'm already done. I'm there. Yesterday I had an audition. I was teaching an audition for 5 hours with the boots. And tomorrow we have a performance. So it's gonna be a tough week. I'm done. It's been 3 weekends. I have no break. So let's go. Love that. So the class is finished and now I'm unloading the piece firing. I started unloading it yesterday, but I haven't got time to finish it all. And I'm gonna be loading a glaze one before I go for lunch. And I need to clean the bases. This glaze that I have in here on the base, because otherwise it's gonna get stuck into the shelves. So I'm gonna just turn around and clean the bases. To wear the mask. Gotcha. Good morning. So I'm just watching the plans before I go to the pottery studio. Today is Friday. I couldn't record much this week because I was really tired. So I haven't got much energy and I wasn't home either. But yeah, we're gonna have like a slow morning. Getting dressed and going to the studio. That's this morning. I don't think I have students because I have one, my com. But she is a free soul. She doesn't let me know when she's coming. But if we don't have any students, I'm gonna keep on working on the new piece that I'm gonna be showing you guys. Yeah, easy peasy, chill and easy. And since we moved to this apartment, the plants are happier somehow. I have the feeling that maybe because also if we did exit winter, they're starting to wake up. They're starting to have new leaves. And this apartment is sunnier, has light. And I think that they are enjoying that because the previous one, it was quite dark. So we'll see during this spring if they survive or not, because this apartment is hotter too, because it's south-facing. It's gonna be an experience, but I couldn't be happier because I need a lot of light, otherwise I'm not able to function. This is one thing I always say: if a plant is not able to live in an apartment, I'm not able to live either. That's a minimum for me. And I need to shave and I need to go to the hairdresser because that's a big mess. Let me show you what I've been working on. I did throw this pot like maybe 1 month ago. I packed it up and now I'm painting some details with some blue slip and green slip. We have the fern leaves, unfurling actually. In here we have a Verde Victoria, don't know how it's called in English, Green Victoria, Victoria's green. And here we have a cobalt blue, and then in here in this side I'm gonna have like big fern leaves, not unfurling. Those ones are unfurling if you see on the tip. And in here I'm gonna have them like already open. Maybe I'm gonna be able to fit one, maybe two, we'll see. Hope you like it.
Es chula, la cámara.
Blue light morning shore before school.
Para que a ver si se haga fácil.
¡A comer!
¡Vámonos!
Sits the kitchen stool.
A ver, al fin.
A veure.
Just
Com un germà també. Anyos feliç.
Aniversari feliç. Que tenis que estigui de mamà, ja.
Molt bé.
També, pobreta està allà.
Opa.
Quan tingués una casa a la posició. Aleshores...
at the edge of a dead fence, I'll wait for you.
Sí.
parla d'això. O sigui,
I wasn't sure I
què tal?
could,
Oli, mira.
but I just knew